This video will show you how simple it is to set up and use the LIZQ360 spherical imaging system. All you need is the calibrated elevating descending tripod or any tripod and the LIZQ360 system, which comes in its own compact carry case. We recommend setting up the tripod so that the camera will be at an average person's height at around 5 feet 5 inches, as that's how we see the world. LIZQ360 has a built-in tilt compensator, so you only need to eyeball the level of the tripod, but there's a spirit level for checking. Once your LIZQ360 and the supplied iPod Touch or any smartphone or tablet or a laptop with Wi-Fi are turned on, a unique connection is made with and the camera settings are controlled by LIZQ360. We recommend using the auto settings for your captures, which will work very well for the vast majority of your captures. You have the option to alter your HDR mode, the base exposure time, maximum ISO, and aperture settings, taking a test shot and showing you the results so that you can make further necessary adjustments depending on the overall lighting conditions for each capture. After taking a test shot, LIZQ will move to 14 preset positions, taking a set of bracketed images at each position. Up, down, 6 around angled slightly up, and 6 around angled slightly down. If necessary, you can pause the capture if someone is entering into the capture area and start again once clear. The camera system always moves in a clockwise fashion. You can, of course, capture at lower or elevated settings depending on the scene and level of detail necessary, and you can also capture images with the LIZQ360 inverted. As long as the system can turn, it can capture even in confined spaces, and it doesn't have to be a certain distance from objects or walls. The green status light on LIZQ360, as well as the remote, will let you know if there are any issues during the capture. The remote device will show you the progress of the capture, which is very useful if you are removed from the area being captured. With the wide-angle lens, the various positions ensure that you have a large overlap between each image position for an artifact-free stitch to create the spherical. If you are not able to remove yourself from the area, you can always follow the camera from behind. The camera is powered by the rechargeable battery in the LIZQ360 and is good for 8 hours of continuous use when fully charged, and the 2 batteries come with each system. The remote will also show you the battery life remaining and the number of captures you can still do based on the memory of the compact flash card you are using. Typical capture times are under 3 minutes to create a 500 megapixel full HDR spherical. You can capture inverted through the sunroof of a car by setting up a tripod inside a vehicle, inverted into a manhole or underground utility chamber. In low light situations, you can position a flashlight pointing straight up under the tripod as a simple and effective method to illuminate your scene and reduce capture times. No need for large external lighting. You can capture using a UV light at a scene to capture fluorescence, when using an alternate light source at a scene with different wavelengths to capture fluorescence, and when using blue star or other blood reagents to capture the chemiluminescence. The wide-angle lens allows you to attach a camera filter to the lens. Once complete, simply move the system for the next capture. Contact us via email, phone, or visit our website for more information.